This video is about how can we make dogs' clothes with old clothes. First, we can see how to make dogs' clothes with baby clothes. You just have to cut them to make straps and sew them together, and you have to adjust the size of the clothes. Next, we can also make clothes with old socks. Just cut the front part of the socks and make 2 holes on the socks, so you can put your dog's foot in it and decorate them. How simple they are, and they are also very cool. Let's make dog clothes with old little clothes. First, cut the edge of the clothes in trapezoid shape. And make one more. Second, sew the 2 of them together. Last, connect the arm parts to the clothes in V shape.